Could you please explain the reasoning behind block size increase? Did you reach a potential impact on decentralization?
Yeah, so this is Alberto, if you don't mind answering this question. This is a really good one, and I'm glad that someone brought it up because we haven't really addressed the why of it before.
Okay, yes. Okay, first, the why. Okay, we wanted to provide, let me say, a way for certificates and sidechain-specific transaction to have, let me say, a sort of a priority over regular transaction. Also because they are a sort of a heartbeat of the sidechain, and moreover, we wanted to create two separate markets, one for certificates and one for the other transactions. So we identified the possibility to have a certain amount of bytes reserved for just for certificates, and so this part of the block will be reserved for them, and the other part of the block, the usual one, will be instead able to contain both transaction and both certificates, and they are going to compete on fees. Let me say together. Instead, for the first part, they are going to have a unique market for certificates. This will provide the possibility to host, protect, the acceptance of certificates, even if there are a huge transaction throughput in the main chain. And so this was the main reason we analyzed for that. And we decided to go for that. And the other thing, the important thing, is that we also studied the impacts in terms of block propagation time, and both for the proof verification and both for the increase of size. And we tuned the numbers in a way that it doesn't affect the required majority to overtake, the control. So yes, so the short answer is yes. We research about the potential impact on decentralization, and we look for the numbers both for the block size and block for block verification time.